My name is Chef Arissa, and I want to make greens. I got all the ingredients by myself, but sometimes I get mixed up, so my assistant will read all the names, okay?
Okay.
What is this?
Zucchini.
Zucchini. I have a bowl this tiny of zucchini. I pour in some zucchini. All of it. And assistant, what is this?
Cabbage.
And we add a little bit of cabbage. Assistant, what is this?
Green pepper.
Green pepper. We add some of it in. Assistant, what is this?
Cilantro.
We add a little bit of cilantro. What is this?
Broccoli.
We add some of this in. And this food is very, very, very healthy. And assistant, what's this name?
Small lime. Black pepper.
Black pepper. We add a little bit of black pepper, like this. Not all of it. Salt. We add a little bit of salt. Assistant, what is this?
Garlic powder.
We add a little bit of garlic powder, like this. Not too much. Just a little bit won't hurt. And assistant, what is this?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Add some cinnamon. But all of it. But a little bit of it. Assistant, what is this?
Garlic.
We add a little bit of garlic. Assistant, what is this?
Turmeric.
We add a little bit of turmeric. Hi again. I'm going to pour a little bit of this again because it's a little bit so much. Okay, next, see? And now we're going to mix it with a big fork. See, I'm mixing very carefully. And when you're mixing it, if you like to smell it, it smells very good. After it's all mixed up, you have to be, your fork has to be clean. Then you put it somewhere, like this. You add some love to it. Pour in the love. More love. And more. And more. And much. Come on, love, finish. And then we mix it again. The love makes it actually very kind of tasty. And we'll add some egg. I take the egg bowl, bring it here. I add some eggs like this. You have to keep one egg if it's good or bad. Enough or not. You have to pop the eggs and have fun with it like this. And you mix it and mix it. It has to get super gooey, like this kind of gooey. And if you see it's too still not sloppy enough, you can add some lemons, small lemons, lime. Squeeze, and the limes are very tiny, right? squeeze all of this here, like this. And another one, just to make it a little more juicier. Squeeze the lemon, all of it, right? You have to get all of the lemon juice out. But be careful, lemon is hard to pour in, see? So you need your fingers a little bit to get messy. And you mix it again. If you see it's still a little bit strong, you can add one more egg. See, your last egg is still here. You add one more gooey egg and you pop it again. And if you see it's too much, like sloppy like this, you can add a little bit of flour. Here's my bowl. I am with a teaspoon, a little bit of flour. Do it only with a teaspoon. You can add a lot when you have a teaspoon. But if you have a normal spoon, you can't add so much. It's like, and you mix it. If you see it's still a little bit more sloppy, you can still add some more flour. See, like this, more and more flour. You mix it until you're sure if it's all good. The egg will contain a good gooey, like this. It will look like this when it's finished mixing. After that, like this. But when you're finished, don't just say like this. Remember your lemons? Squeeze a little bit more. And ask an adult to cook it for you. Maybe a little bit of this too. And like this. You have to mix it again. Mix it until you're sure there's no more flour. When there's no more flour and it's still a little bit wobbly, you can also add more flour. Right, boys and girls? Okay. See, because I'm a professional chef kid, I can make sorts of foods like this. And I mix them and mix them like this. Do you want to see more? Okay, let's see more of this. When it's all gooey, always ask an adult to help you. Like this. I tell my mom or your mom to come and cook it for you. And it has to be like nuggets. It has to be like a circle. Cut. Bye. I'm going to go ask my mom to cook it. Hi, my assistant put the butter around the pan. And she is like separating all the butter around it. And she will pour all of the gooey stuff like this. And be careful, you always need an adult to do this for you. Never do this alone at home. Okay? Hi, it needs to rest and cook for 5 minutes or 6. My assistant is just pouring it to make it big. She's almost running out of goo. You can call it goo because it looks so gooey, right? Good. And when it's cooked, I'll show you how it looks like, okay? I will go and come back. Hi. Doesn't it look pretty? Does it look pretty? Good! You put the lid on and let it cook more. I will go and come back. Gooey is ready. This is how it looks like. Enjoy your food. See? It's going to be delicious and healthy. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Sorry.